Today we're here in Gloucester at a world-class new facility producing kind of carbon fibre composite, amazing new technology, only available in a few countries worldwide. And iCOMAT have been brilliant in bringing this place together in less than 18 months using our SCIF funding.
Today it's a very special day for all of us at iCOMAT. We've literally been working on this technology for about 15 years now, and this facility is where it all comes together. We have taken fiber steering from something that was academic theory and a concept to something that is an industrial reality. So with this facility here, OEMs and Tier 1s can come and design, manufacture and produce components with fiber steering really for the first time.
It's particularly exciting for our region because this is a cross-sector capability that's supporting our aerospace sector, automotive sector and defence and space. I'm particularly excited for the impact it can have in the space sector, particularly around our launch capability here in the UK, really offering an innovation that will have a significant impact.
This would not have been possible without the support that we received from UKSA. UKSA really took a bet on iCOMAT through the SCIF funding that we received, and it co-funded a big part of this facility to really complete the facility and expand the business to the point where we're now in a position where we've got components in production and we've got capacity to serve not only the UK supply chain for space and aerospace, but also to create export opportunities for abroad.